This is the Python exercises lab Q&A. This is like all the answers I did for students. So I combined all the questions in one file, then I'm answering. Number 1 and 2, can I get one input and do number 1 and 2? You're supposed to do that. So you're going to get just one input, then you're going to print number 1 and 2. Then can I import the math? Yes, you can import the math, like you can see in the number 5. Then can I define my own method in there? Yes, you can define helper method inside of your exercises. But when you define the helper method, I want you put attached with that corresponding number. So if you are using the is prime method for number 5, I want you put is prime method right before you use it. Then number 7, 8, 9. The sample output didn't count the uppercase vowel. Am I supposed to count the uppercase vowel? Yes, you're supposed to count the uppercase vowel. There's a 3. So sample output has an error. I'm sorry about that part. Then number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can I use collections module and counter method? Yes, you can use a counter method. Counter method has a very helpful method which is most common. Counter module has a very helpful method most common. Means when you pass the string, then call the most common method. It's going to return the list of most common characters. So for example, in this case, I have AABB, CCC, DDD. So CCC and DDD are most common. It returns C and D as a list shape. So using this one, then you can answer. Then number 17 and 18. Actually 18. If the number is not binary number, what can I do? You are going to just print it is not a binary number. Then how can I convert to the decimal? You can just use int method. When you use int method, if you give a second argument, second parameter, that means base. So you are going to give base 2 number into number, then as a string, then you are going to convert that into the decimal. That is what int s, 2 is doing. Number 20, how can I check if the file is eligible or not? If it's a file or not, you can use os.pass.isFile method. This one returns true or false when you pass the string, if it's a file or not. Number 22, 23, can I use iter tools? I originally answered no, but now I change it. As long as you can write your answer in one line solution by using the permutations method, you can do it. You can use it. But if you cannot write your answer in one line, so that means you are going to write one answer for 22, one line answer, then 23, just to finish in one line if you are using permutations. In that case, I allow you can use iter tools permutations.